આઈ લવ યુ.
આઈ લવ યુ.
એન્જોય કરજે, મજા કરજે.
મજા કરજો બંને થોડું
કિસ્સી આપી દો.
બરાબર રાખજો.
એક કિસી આપી દો.
હા હવે થોડા કરશું. વાહ ભાઈ વાહ ભાઈ વાહ ભાઈ વાહ 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 બહુ સરસ છે.
હે પાર્થ, મને કહ્યું તને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવાનો છે ને એક શબ્દમાં. હાઉ ઇઝ ઇટ પોસિબલ? તું બી તારા વિશે કંઈ વિચાર કરતા ખાસ વાત જે મગજમાં આવે છે એ છે કે તું ટોટલી કમિટેડ છે. કમિટેડ ઇઝ ધ ફર્સ્ટ વર્ડ દેટ કેમ ટુ માય માઇન્ડ. કમિટમેન્ટ કરવામાં તું બહુ વાર લગાડે છે. પહેલાં અભ્યાસ કરે, રિસર્ચ કરે, એના વિશે પ્લસ માઇનસ જોઈને પછી વિચાર કરે કે કરવું કે નહીં કરવું. બટ વન્સ યુ સે દેટ યસ आई वांट टू डू इट, देन यू स्टैंड कमिटेड टू इट. वो कहते हैं ना, एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो कर दी, उसके बाद मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. तारो ये रवैयो છે. एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट. वॉट एवर यू हैव डन विथ टोटल कमिटमेंट. तारी पायलटनी एग्जाम जो, तारा योगा क्लासेस जो, वॉट एवर यू हैव डन फैंटास्टिकली वेल. आई एम विशिंग वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. फूलो फलो, दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करो, हेल्थ बेस्ट पाओ, माँ बाप की सेवा करो और ज़िंदगी में सिर्फ आनंद ही आनंद रहे, ऐसा करो. माइंड वेल, फैमिली स्टैंड्स फर्स्ट. या गुड लक.
પાર્થ ઇઝ અ પ્યોર સોલ, એટલે અંદરથી પ્યોર છે એકદમ. એના હી કેન શો હિઝ ઇમોશન્સ ફોર એવરીબડી. બધાની ફિલિંગ એ સમજે છે. હી ઇઝ વેરી ટ્રાન્સપરન્ટ. અને હવે એ વધારે ને વધારે ઇનર એનું ગ્રોઈંગ બહુ સરસ થઈ ગયું છે. હી લવ હિઝ ફેમિલી. હી લવ્સ પીકુ વેરી મચ. પાર્થ નાનો હતો એના કરતાં હવે ઘણો ચેન્જ થઈ ગયો છે. આઈ લવ હિમ. હી ઇઝ માય જાન. આઈ લવ હિમ વેરી મચ. આઈ લવ યુ પાર્થ. એન્ડ આઈ વિશ તને જે જોઈએ એ તને મળે. એન્ડ યુ વિલ ગેટ ઇટ. વોટ એવર યુ વિશ, વોટ એવર યુ આર વિશિંગ, યુ વિલ ગેટ એવરીથિંગ. આઈ લવ યુ.
Hi Parth, happy birthday. Hope your day goes very well. It is very difficult to describe Parth in a single word because he is so many things at one time only. But still, when I am asked to describe him, मैं सोचता हूँ कि पॉजिटिव इज़ द राइट वर्ड फॉर हिम. और उसका रीज़न भी यह है कि पार्थ कोई भी काम दो, कोई भी वर्क लो या कोई भी एडवाइस लो तो बहुत पॉजिटिवली लेता है. और समझो कोई एक ही चीज़ के ऊपर कोई 3-4 लोगों से अगर एडवाइस मिलती है तो उसी पांचों एडवाइस में से जो सबसे पॉजिटिव आइडियाज़ होती है या चारों की जो पॉजिटिव आइडियाज़ होती है वो ये ले लेते हैं और फिर उसके ऊपर ही ट्राइज टू वर्क हार्ड ऑन दैट. सो आई फील कि मेरे हिसाब से ही इज़ वेरी पॉजिटिव. एंड सेकेंडली पार्थ, my full blessings for you for your lifetime and many more birthdays to come. Thank you. Bye.
Hi Parth, happy birthday beta. Describe Parth in one word is really difficult. मुझे वन वर्ड तो नहीं पता, पर हाँ मैं एग्जाम्पल के साथ बताती हूँ कि पार्थ कभी भी कुछ सीखने की कोशिश करता है तो वो गिव अप नहीं करता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल योगा उसने शुरू किया तो ज़ीरो से शुरू किया और आज वो 90% तक उसमें सक्सेसफुल है. और 10% भी वो मैं इसलिए कम कर रही हूँ कि फिर वो जो नेशनल लेवल पे जाते हैं उनके लिए. ही इज़ सो गुड इन योगा. और वो सीखता रहा. उसने ऑनलाइन ट्राई की, आचार्य जी के पास जाके वो कोशिश किया और आज वो 90% वो योगा में सक्सेसफुल है। फिर उसने माइक्रो ग्रीन्स को ट्राई किए थे, वो भी उसने इतनी सारी ऑनलाइन सर्च किया और सब किया और घर में बहुत सक्सेसफुली उसने ग्रो भी किया था। एंड नाउ ही इज़ मच इन हिंदुज़म, तो हिंदुज़म के लिए भी उसने ऑनलाइन कोर्स किया, फिर उसने और भी कई बुक्स भी पढ़ी और अभी आज उसने अपना पेज भी इंस्टा पे बना लिया है। तो वो कुछ भी सीखता है तो वो कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करता है, वो और उसकी कोशिश होती है मैं और ज़्यादा सीखूं और ज़्यादा इसको पता करूं इसमें क्या होता है। सो दिस इज़ वेरी मच पॉजिटिव थिंग इन पार्थ। और वैसे तो पार्थ में हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है, ही इज़ गुड लुकिंग, इंटेलिजेंट, स्मार्ट, पॉजिटिविटी, पंक्चुअलिटी, नहीं पंक्चुअलिटी थोड़ी सी कम है, बाकी सब चीज़ उसमें बहुत अच्छी है। तो एक चीज़ तो हम बोल ही नहीं सकते हैं, पर एक कहा गया था तो मुझे ये चीज़ इसमें बेस्ट लगती है। एंड वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा, खूब खुश रहो, खूब आगे बढ़ो। थैंक यू।
Hi Parth, welcome. Sa family na Yog Guru, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. જિંદગીમાં ખૂબ ખૂબ આગળ વધો એવા આશીર્વાદ સાથે વેલકમ.
હેપી બર્થડે. તારો 31st બર્થડે ખૂબ સરસ જાય અને તને ખૂબ ખૂબ અંતરના આશીર્વાદ. પાર્થ, you are always smiling and you are always humble. Keep this quality always in you. Keep smiling. Love you. Wish you all the best.
Hi Parth, Jai Jinendra. I feel you are like an eagle. You can fly up in the sky, high up in the sky, and may you fly high up in the sky again. Happy birthday to you. God bless you with lots of blessings from me and family. Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra Parth. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Parth. Happy birthday dear Parth. Hi Parth. आज तो એટલો બધો ખુશીનો દિવસ છે. બસ તને મારી એટલા આશીર્વાદ, ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ સાથે તારી ઉત્તર પ્રગતિ થાય અને તું ખૂબ સારામાં સારા મુકામે પહોંચે એ જ મારી ઈચ્છા છે. ભગવાન તને હંમેશ બધામાં આગળ રાખે. બીજું તને જોતા મને શું યાદ આવે છે ખબર છે? તને હસવું આવશે હું કહીશ તો. મને તને જો ને ત્યારે હેન્ડસમ યોગા ગુરુ બાબા દેખાય છે અને ખરેખર તારામાંથી એ જ પ્રેરણા મળે છે કે હંમેશા તને જોઉં તો મને એમ થાય આવું તંદુરસ્ત રહેવું જોઈએ, આવું ફિટ રહેવું જોઈએ, પણ એટલું થતું નથી. પણ અમે તારામાંથી ઘણી બધી પ્રેરણા લીધી છે અને અત્યારે પણ થોડું ઘણું કરીએ છીએ. બસ આવી જ રીતે બધાને પ્રેરણા આપતો રહેજે અને કુટુંબ પ્રત્યેનો જે તારું પ્રેમ છે એવો ને એવો જ તું રાખજે. થેન્ક યુ પાર્થ.
Hi Parth, happy birthday. Today is your birthday and it's our wedding anniversary. Date of 13th is unlucky for many, but it's very lucky for all of us, at least 3 of us, right? Today I have been given a task to tell that if I have to describe Parth in one word, what will I say? I would say the most perseverant person. I have seen કે જ્યારે પણ તું કોઈ પણ નવી વસ્તુ હાથમાં લે, કોઈ પણ વસ્તુને તારે કરવાનું નક્કી કરે, તો you will go to the end of it, to the root of it, and you will never leave it till you have excelled it. Your commitment to excellence and your focused efforts are the things that all in the world should learn. If everybody can achieve the way you achieve the things, our country can go to so many places. I wish you all the best in your life and keep it up. All the best.
Hi Parth, many happy returns of the day. મને ક્વેશ્ચન મળ્યો છે કે આઈ હેવ ટુ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ યુ ઇન વન વર્ડ, તો હું કહીશ કે યુ આર મોસ્ટ કેરિંગ એન્ડ હેલ્પફુલ. કેમ? તો કે મને જે હમણાં ઊંઘનો પ્રોબ્લેમ થઈ ગયો હતો ને હજી થોડો ઘણો છે, તો તે એટલું બધું મારું ધ્યાન રાખ્યું છે. તે મને અલગ અલગ મેડિટેશનની વિડીયોઝ મોકલી છે, તે મને પર્સનલી ઘરે આવી અને મને હેડસ્પેસ ડાઉનલોડ કરીને તે મને શીખવાડ્યું. તે બહુ જ તે મારી ચિંતા કરી છે અને હજી કરે છે. અને મને અને જી કાકાને કંઈ બી પ્રોબ્લેમ આવ્યો હોય, કંઈ બી અમને ડિફિકલ્ટ તો તું તરત જ અમને હેલ્પફુલ થશે. અને દેટ્સ આઈ લવ યુ વેરી વેરી મચ. અને વન્સ અગેન મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે માય હેન્ડસમ બચ્ચા.
Hi Path, very very happy birthday to you and stay healthy and wealthy. I think you would be described in one word as a family oriented person because you go along with all the family people very well. I again wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed. Thank you.
Hello Parth, wish you a very very happy birthday. And if I think I want to describe you in one word, I think you are a very fitness freak person. And in this time of lockdown, everyone say that you keep healthy, you stay healthy, and by doing exercise you can keep yourself healthy. So I think you inspire us also to do yoga and exercise, and whenever we meet we talk about this. So that's a very best quality in you, I think, and I admire you for this. Thank you for inspiring us to do exercise, and all the best in life. Bye. Love you.
Parth, in my view, you are a real gentleman. You are coming from a very good family. Happy birthday, Parth.
Hi Parth, happy birthday. God bless you, Munna. I want to describe you in one word: the most handsome pilot, and you fly as high as possible.
Hi Parth, happy birthday dear. You are such a chocolate boy. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर सब ये जाने कि तू क्या करेगा. ये
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Fats. So, for your 31st birthday, I have asked all our cousins some questions and I have asked them to answer them for you. I'm going to answer like maybe 3 of them for you, okay? So, which is your favorite quality about Parth? I think my favoriteest quality about you is that you are always so eager to learn new things. You're always willing to do better, always thinking that you can do better and can be better, and you're always thriving towards it. I think that is amazing. What is Parth's most amusing quality? I think your most amusing quality is your sense of humor, because I love it how you just say such funny things with a straight blank face, and like it takes people a while to get to know what you're actually trying to say. Then what is the one thing you would like to learn from Parth? I think I would like to learn your selflessness. I would like to learn how you are always willing to adapt, always willing to take the other person's opinion, and always willing to change. Like if someone tells you that you need to change this in yourself to get better, and you never have like a no answer. You're always accepting that, and you're always changing that, not just like listening and not doing it, but you're actually doing it. The other thing I really want to learn from you is that whenever you say you're going to do something, you actually do it. You just don't just say it. Like I say so many things that I want to do, like I want to learn this, I want to learn this, I want to learn this, and I hardly ever get to it. But I think you are that one person who actually does what he wants to do. So I think that is amazing. Happy birthday.
Give to Parth. I think I would say that when you have success, share it with everyone. Share the credit of the success with everyone in the family. But in times of failure, try not to pass the blame. Happy birthday, Parth.
પાર્થ આઈ થિંક હું કોલેજમાં હતી અને પાર્થ મસ્ટ હેવ બીન 9 or 10 years old, અને પાર્થ અમદાવાદ રોકાવા આવ્યો હતો. અને એક દિવસ સાંજે અમે લોકો બધા ગાડીમાં બેસીને ક્યાંક બહાર ફરવા જતા હતા, અને એકદમથી પાર્થ કંઈક બોલ્યો કે પાર્થ મોમને બોલ્યો, ફૂઈ આપણા ઘરનો ફોન કેટલો ખરાબ છે. કે કેમ શું થયું? બધા રોંગ નંબર જ આવે છે. મેં પાર્થને પૂછ્યું કોનો રોંગ નંબર આવે છે, કયો રોંગ નંબર આવે છે. ખબર નહીં કોઈ બધા એક માનસી માટે કોલ આવ્યા કરે છે. તો તે શું કીધું? મેં તો અહીંયા કોઈ માનસી નથી રહેતી. તો મેં પાર્થને કીધું પાર્થ હું માનસી છું. નો તમે માનુ દીદી છે. અરે હું માનુ દીદી નથી, હું માનુ દીદી છું પણ મારું રિયલ નેમ માનસી છે. દેટ્સ વેન પાર્થને ખબર પડે કે મારું એકચ્યુઅલમાં નામ માનસી છે. ત્યાર સુધી મેં એના માટે ખાલી અને ખાલી માનુ દીદી જ હતી. That's my funniest memory with Parth. I love you, Parth. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday.
Hi, Parth. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you, put all His showers and blessings on you. Whenever I see you, you resemble as a koala bear, sweet, loving, caring, chubby. You are my sweetest brother. You and Piku make a lovely pair. May God bless you. Take care.
હેપી બર્થડે. આઈ થિંક પાર્થ તું બહુ ચેન્જ થઈ ગયો નાનપણથી અત્યાર સુધીમાં. You have changed on a daily basis, but now since last 2-3 years, 4 years, you have changed dramatically. I used to feel like an elder brother, but now I don't anymore. Sometimes I feel like a younger brother, that I get to learn so many things from you. So many new things that you do, your perspective towards life, your approach towards life. You're always thinking positive and trying to learn something new and in a happy manner. And it has changed. I think the perception about you, what you do, how you do, etc. ઘણું બધું ચેન્જ છે. અને મેં ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ તારાથી શીખી છે. એમાંથી આઈ થિંક ધ નંબર વન થિંગ દેટ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ લર્ન ફ્રોમ યુ ઇઝ દૃઢ નિશ્ચય. મને જોઈએ છે કે મારી પાસે બી તારા જેવું દૃઢ નિશ્ચય થાય કે હું એક્ઝેક્ટલી મને ખબર હોય કે મને શું જોઈએ છે, કેટલું જોઈએ છે, કેવી રીતે જોઈએ છે, ક્યારે જોઈએ છે, અને હું એકવાર ડિસાઇડ કરું તો હું કરી લઉં. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આજે સવારના you were on the terrace at 5 o'clock. Even I had my alarm at 5 o'clock, but I got up at 6 o'clock. I didn't go at 5 o'clock. And it was not according to my... I didn't do things according to my plan. Now that is something that I really like about you. You are doing excellent. You're doing very well in life. I love you a lot. And there is a newfound respect for you. Love you, Parth.
हैप्पी बर्थडे पार्थ भाई. ऐसे तो आपके बारे में बहुत सारी फेवरेट चीज़ें हैं, बट मैं 2 फेवरेट चीज़ बताऊंगी. पहला है द वे यू एक्सप्लेन. आप कोई भी टॉपिक इतने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करते हो कि वो टॉपिक के बारे में सामने वाले को सोचने में भी मज़ा आती है और उसके बारे में सुनने में भी मज़ा आती है. तो ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है आपके बारे में. और मैंने आपको कहा भी है कि आप बहुत अच्छे टीचर हो सकते हो. तो डेफिनेटली आप बहुत बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करते हो किसी भी चीज़ को कि सब लोग ही मतलब वो चीज़ को मानते हैं कि हाँ राइट, ये पार्थ भाई सही बोल रहे हैं. एंड दूसरा है द वे यू एक्सप्रेस योर लव. घर पे भी और इवन दूसरों के साथ भी आप इतने अच्छे से आपका प्यार एक्सप्रेस करते हो कि बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो देख के. स्पेशली विद अबीर और आपका रिलेशनशिप देख के तो मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि अबीर को आपसे ज़्यादा अच्छे चाचू नहीं मिल सकते थे. कभी कभी तो ऐसा लगता है कि शायद मुझे फ्यूचर में अबीर को कुछ भी करने के लिए, उसके साथ कुछ भी प्लान करने के लिए मुझे आपकी परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी कि पार्थ भाई मैं ऐसा करूँ ना अबीर के साथ. तो वो बहुत ही मतलब ये एक अच्छी फीलिंग है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपको और अबीर को इस तरीके से साथ में एक दूसरे से प्यार एक्सप्रेस करते हुए देख के. और आई विश के अबीर भी आपकी ही तरह प्यार एक्सप्रेस कर पाए जब वो बड़ा हो. तो ये 2 चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे आपके बारे में बहुत बहुत अच्छी लगती है. एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
So if I was to jam on a track with Parth playing the guitar and me playing the mridangam, what track would that be? Seeing as both of us are fans of Nitin Soni, I choose Prophecy. So Parth play guitar and I'll play mridangam on that track.
अगर पार्थ खाने का आइटम होता तो क्या होता? पार्थ तू तो आलू का चाट होता क्योंकि तू पिकू का.
Hello Parth, how are you? Wish you a very happy birthday. I have a question which I have to answer for you. So the question is, if I have to gift one thing to Parth, what would it be and why? So I think if I have to gift one thing, that would be an aeroplane. Since you love flying, I would gift you a luxury aeroplane which you could fly whenever, however you want, and go to your favorite destinations for a beautiful holiday. And of course, don't forget to take us. Thank you. Have a wonderful birthday. Enjoy. Take care and see you soon. Bye.
Happy 2020 lockdown birthday, Parth. Pikudi has given a chit and that says sing a song. Here you go. दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं, तुम ये समझोगे शायद मैं पागल हूँ. दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं, तुम ये समझोगे शायद मैं पागल हूँ. दिल करता है टीवी टावर पे मैं चढ़ जाऊं, चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं ये सबसे कह दूं. रॉक ऑन है ये वक्त का इशारा, रॉक ऑन हर लम्हा पुकारा. रॉक ऑन यूं ही सोचता है क्या तू, रॉक ऑन जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा.
Hello everyone, I have a question to read. What is your happy married life mantra to Parth? So basically there is no such mantra for a successful married life, but all I can say is it depends on the level of commitment and understanding the couples put in. And yeah, I have one. Parth, wish you a very very happy birthday. God bless you.
On a deserted island, he would take firstly his guitar, definitely his guitar. Secondly, he would take his yoga mat, because obviously you can't do yoga on sand. And I don't know how he'll figure it out, but I think he'll take his swing, his big swing on the deserted island. Happy birthday, Parth. We all love you so much. Lots and lots of good health and lots of success. Happy birthday.
Hi Parth, wish you many happy returns of the day. Sorry, it's 12:05 a.m. over here, and that's the reason why my face is looking like this. Because of courtesy of Priyanka, she asked me to answer one question. If I have one thing that I could teach you, what it would be. Man, I gave a lot of thought. And from all the interaction that I had with you, with Kanchi, and with everyone else, everyone told me that you are always eager to learn new stuff. You always teach yourself something that you don't know. So, in fact, I should learn a few things from you, starting with flying lessons. That would be the main thing. But anyways, there is one thing I can teach you. Kanchi reads a book. The name of the book is Art of Not Giving a F. What I can teach you is the art of not giving up. So anyways, man, keep progressing, keep moving ahead and ahead. Jaldi pilot ban, and we can't wait to call you captain. Chal, happy birthday.
Hi Parth, many happy returns of the day. On your birthday, our creative Piku has planned this amazing idea of giving you tips on the questions she sent. So the question for me is, what is one health tip that I will give you? Now ask me about health tips, I will boil it down to dentistry and teeth. But it's not dental tip, it's a health tip. હેલ્થ ટીપમાં મેં બહુ વિચાર્યું, તને શું કહું? તું યોગા આટલું ફાઇન કરે છે, તું વર્કઆઉટ કરે છે, ફિટ છે, તો હું તને શું કહું? પછી મને વિચાર આવ્યો કે શાહ ફેમિલી ઇઝ ફેમસ ફોર ધેર ટેસ્ટ બડ્સ. બધાને ખાવાનો ખૂબ જ શોખ છે. સો માય ટિપ ટુ યુ ઇઝ દેટ you do a little bit change in that, કે તમે બધા ખાવાનો શોખ તો ચાલુ રાખો, પણ તારે એમાં કેલરીઝ વોચ કરવાની. સો અને ઓવર ઇટિંગ નહીં કરવાનું. કંટ્રોલ ઓન પોર્શન સાઇઝ and control on the fat that you take with the food. That's it. Many, many happy returns of the day. Looking forward to some more surprises planned by Piku. Bye.
Hey Parth, wish you a very happy birthday. I was given a lot of questions to answer, but I couldn't give a satisfactory answer to any of them. But I would really want to tell you that over the years you've changed quite a lot as a person. जो अपने discussions होते हैं साथ में, the way you have molded yourself into things which are of far greater importance makes me feel really happy. I've hoped that your growth in that aspect achieves greater heights, and I wish all the best for you, and may you achieve everything that you ever dream of. All the best. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. Take care.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Parth. So my question is the quality which I admire about you. There are many qualities which I admire about you, like your sense of humor, your love for fitness. But the best one is you make us feel so comfortable when you're around us. You never make us feel bored. We really enjoy your company.
What question do I have? Oh, the question is, what would I like to do with Parth, or how would I want to celebrate with Parth post-lockdown? So post-lockdown, whenever it is that this lockdown gets over, the first thing that I would like to do with you and obviously all the other cousins is take everyone to the Lonavala bungalow and celebrate over there in these monsoons. What better?
A habit of Parth that you find most amusing. This has to take me all the way back to our childhood when Parth had this, I don't know if it's a habit, but it was definitely a talent, this most amusing talent where he saw entire movies in his sleep and he was convinced that was the real plot line of the story, and then he refused to go and watch the movie in the actual theatre. For example, I think he saw Satya like that, I think he saw Rangila like that, and when we would be like, "Mane aa movie jo," he's like, "Main joyi lidu," and we're like, "When?" He's like, "Mara sapna wa main joyi lidu." So of course that confidence was amusing, and I still remember this habit. It is one of the most unique characteristics of Parth from childhood.
Oh, sing a rap song for Parth. I think I have the perfect song for you, bro. Wait, look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's me, cause I'm fly. I'm fly, I'm fly, I'm fly. I'm fly, I'm fly, I'm fly. I'm fly, I'm fly, I'm fly. Keep flying always, brother. Happy birthday.
Okay, let's open the chit. Your best memory of Parth. Oh, where do I begin? I think the entire phase of Jeevan Parag, where all 5 kids were together and it was a complete Pagal house, was my favorite memory. I could go back to it even today if given a chance. One of the best memories I have of you, Parth, is they mane mango khata sikhwadi, the correct way to eat it, and I have passed on that wisdom to all my friends. Apart from that, so many funny memories actually. જ્યારે તું pigeons ને આપણા ઘરના balcony થી રોટલી આપતો તો ને તારાથી આખી પ્લેટ જ જતી રહી. Or that time when we were bursting balloons in Holi on other people. So I've had many such fun memories with Parth. So I would like to tell Piku Bhabi that Parth hi hai right choice, baby. Aha. Happy birthday, Parth. Love you.
Hi Parth, happy birthday. So the best trip we have taken till now, that is, we've taken a lot of trips together. We have gone to the farmhouse so many times, I can't even count it. We've gone to Mahabaleshwar, Meridian, we've gone to Pench, we have gone to Greece and Turkey, and we've done so many trips together, and all of them have been super memorable. But to take out instances from all these trips, small instances that have been amazing is definitely the diving trip that we did in Greece, in Mykonos, when we did the cave dives. That was a beautiful experience to do with you guys. Pico was also there, that's why I'm saying you guys. In Pench we did the safaris so many times. We actually were lucky to see so many tigers. Then Navsari, we've had so much fun. We've done like crazy parties over there. We've taken speakers on the terrace and just gone crazy. We've had a lot of fun. And even that hot tub in Le Meridian in Mahabaleshwar, on that heated water, and we all went to the pool and we were just doing time pass with the GoPro, getting crazy footage and all. And the numerous sunsets that we have seen together, because we're all running behind the sunsets all the time, in different bars in Greece or maybe a mountain in Lonavala. But it's all been really, really beautiful, and all these trips have been super memorable. And definitely we're going to do so much more now ahead. Obviously after this lockdown gets over, first thing we're going to do is do another trip to the farmhouse, so that's happening. And there's so much more to look forward to. And happy birthday again, have fun.
Hi Parth, my question is, what is the best advice that you have given me? So this is not exactly an advice, but this is something that I find very inspirational from you. Is some like your work ethic and your approach to learning new things. That is very inspirational to me. Like, I have an habit where I get good at something and I get bored of it and I leave it, but your approach to learning new things is that you try to reach perfection, and even after you are perfect at it, you never stop, you continue learning more and more, and that is something that is very inspirational to me, and I would like to do that myself. I would like to try and do that myself also. So that is very inspirational. Happy birthday, enjoy your day, and I hope we can meet after the lockdown.
What food item do you associate with Parth? Okay, so even Jiju knows this actually, and I keep telling him. I don't know why, it's really weird, but he reminds me a lot of cheese. Like, for obvious reasons. One, he's so fair, like he's milk white. So like cheese, and if you notice, I don't know, I've observed so much, don't be creeped out, like he knows that on his nose there's this khadda sort of thing, which on cheese there's khadda. So like, yeah, cheese.
Do an impromptu dance for Parth. Happy birthday, Jiju.
Which adventure sport would I want to try with Parth, Jiju? More than adventure sport, I think it'll be a water sport, because in Goa, Pikadi showed me videos of you all scuba diving and cliff diving, and I think those two things are something I really want to do, and watching you all do it really makes me want to do it with you all. So I think it'll definitely be cliff diving or scuba diving.
What activity would I like to do with Parth, Jiju? I would like to go play football with Parth, Jiju, and yeah. Happy birthday, Parth, Jiju.
Parth Mama, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. May all of your wishes get fulfilled. Have a happy year ahead. Have a great year ahead. I get inspired by you as I see a superhero in you, which is Superman. You are Superman as he also flies all over the world, all over the sky, and you also fly planes. You also fly a beer, and you are like him because you care for others, you protect your family, you love your family. You are a very sweet, loving, caring, and you are a fighter person. And I love you, Mama. You are a very nice Mama. And happy birthday once again. Many happy returns of the day.
I want Batman to become a Captain America. Because I love Captain America and Spider-Man.
And you are the Spider-Man?
Yes, and I'm the Spider-Man.
So who will you and Bat Mama fight with?
The monster.
Which monsters?
The bad monster.
Hi kids.
Hi.
So Arhana, what do you want Parth Fufu to? Which superhero do you want Parth Fufu to be?
Princess.
Princess?
Yeah.
Why?
Because princess is very strong.
Hi Shaman. Which superhero do you want Parth Fufu to be?
Hulk.
Why Hulk?
Because he is just the longest.
Oh. Kavir, which superhero do you want Parth Fufu to be?
Superman.
Why Superman?
Because he's the strongest. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Happy birthday,
Want Parth Mamu to become a superhero. Which superhero you want him to be?
I'm not a superhero. Oh, I want him to become Chota Bheem.
Chota Bheem. And why?
Because it's my favorite. With you know why? Because he just
Okay, now can you wish Parth Mamu?
Happy birthday, Parth Mamu.
Say-
Happy birthday to you, Parth Ma. Happy birthday to Parth Ma.
Happy birthday to Parth Mama.
Happy birthday to Parth Ma. Looking at you.
Pachi, happy birthday
To you.
Clap, clap karo. And I love you, Parth Mama.
Love you, Parth Ma. Happy birthday, Parth. Happy birthday, Parth. Kaka.